Hello everyone, this is Kailash Upadhyay, and I would like to share my first review and the feedback on the revised application process for the PMI certification. As we all know, PMI has changed the application process for the all 8 certification. So, and the process has gone live, and you can see the revised application process. Once you start filing your application. Now, what is my take on this revised application? Just want to share with you. So overall, I'm really happy with the changes. The effort has gone down to file the application. So there are maximum four screens or 4 pages which you'll have to fill, and yeah, maybe the content of few pages may be more than what it was earlier. They have merged 2 3 pages together just to reduce the number of slides or number of pages and whatever you can call it. So by that way they have able to reduce the number of pages on the application. Now everything is good. Few things which I would like to make a note, which I feel if PMI have kept the same, would have been better. The first and very important thing which I realize is now you cannot download your in progress application. Okay, you can download only your submitted application. So once you submit your application, then you can review it what you have submitted. But in the earlier process, you can review it first and then you can submit it. And that was really good because somebody who is not very confident, he can review it from his trainer, mentor, and from his colleague who is already PMP certified and so on. But now that steps is not there. So that's one thing which I felt is may be a problem to some of the participant. I would also like to highlight, especially for the PGMP program management professional participant. Overall, the process has been simplified, but one thing which the participant or the applicant may not like is now you have to also mention or also have to provide your project experience summary for around 200 to 500 words. That's what PMI has introduced now. In the earlier process, it was you have to just mention the 4 year of project management experience without describing what is the objective, what is the outcome, and what is your role and responsibility as part of the PGMP application. But now, even if you are a PGMP applicant, along with your program strategy, the 5 domain experience summary responses, along with it, now you also have to provide the project experience summary as well. So this will be a little additional effort, and I was working with few of my participant based on the new application process, and they didn't, you know, liked it. Maybe probably the additional effort for them, but I could see why PMI may asking this. Maybe somebody who is not a PMP certified and directly going for the PGMP, maybe PMI wants to evaluate his project roles and responsibilities as well under his project experience summary. So that could be a one reason which I could see PMI is asking the project experience summary as well under your PGMP application process. For the PFMP, I'm really happy. Whatever changes has been done, they are really good. They are not asking any business experience description. Of course, you have to still provide 8 years of business experience and 4 years of portfolio experience if you are a master degree or a bachelor degree holder, and 7 years of portfolio experience if you are a diploma holder, and like that way. So overall, for portfolio participant, it's a really good news. Definitely for a PGMP participant also, the process has been simplified. uh, you will not struggle filing the application. Yeah, little effort has been increased, but overall, I will rate very good effort from PMI, and I really welcome this change. So thank you all for listening to the video. Do share your comments and like the video if you feel that and the video is good. And also share your if you want have any question around the application process, if you need add-on skill support, my support in reviewing your application, so just reach out to me. You can find the details into the comment section about my contact details and the services. Thank you very much, everyone. Take care.